us, Team Defendi. Beast, all right.
I thought you were great today.
Here. Go on, take it. Where's that music coming from?
Hey! Where's everybody going?
On his way to the palace, I suppose. Another suitor for the princess.
Out of my way, you filthy brat!
Hey! If I were as rich as you, I could afford some manners.
Oh, I'll teach you some manners.
Look at that, Apu. It's not every day you see a horse with two rear ends.
You are a worthless street rat. You were born a street rat. You'll die a street rat. And only your fleas will mourn you.
I'm not worthless, and I don't have fleas. Come on, Abu. Let's go home. Riff-raff, street rat. I don't buy that. If only they'd look closer. Would they see a poor boy? No, sirree. They'd find out there's so much more to me. Someday, Abu, things are gonna change. We'll be rich, live in a palace, and never have any problems at all.